What if you jumped into a black hole? Would you die instantly? Would you stretch into a noodle? Or could you slip into another universe? These aren't just sci-fi questions. They're real mysteries scientists still can't fully answer. Because black holes don't just destroy matter. They tear apart everything we understand about space, time, and reality itself. In this video, you're going to fall into one. Step by step, feel the fear, see what no human has ever seen, and experience the terrifying beauty of the most mysterious object in the universe. So buckle up, because once you start falling, there's no turning back. It's not just a hole, it's a cosmic predator. And you're falling in. There's no spaceship, no crew, just you, and the most mysterious object in the universe. Oddly, your journey begins peacefully. The pull is gentle at first. You might even feel like you're drifting. But make no mistake, the deeper you fall, the more reality starts to bend. And once you start falling, there's no way back. As you get closer to the black hole, gravity's grip doesn't increase evenly. Your feet, being closer, are tugged faster than your head. It starts slowly, then violently. Your body begins to stretch. Bones, muscles, cells, atoms. It's called spaghettification, and it's not science fiction. It's real physics. You're being torn into a long, thin strand of matter. It's the universe's most brutal magic trick, turning people into noodles. But here's the shocking part. If you're falling into a supermassive black hole, like Sagittarius A** at the center of our galaxy, this process might not happen immediately. The tidal forces near the event horizon are weaker due to the sheer size. You might cross that boundary feeling completely normal, unaware that you've entered a zone from which nothing ever escapes. From their perspective, you appear frozen, hanging at the edge of the black hole forever. Why? Because you're now deep in gravitational time dilation, a phenomenon Einstein predicted. Time moves slower in stronger gravitational fields. Near the event horizon, it almost stops. Here's a mind bender. As you fall in, the entire future of the universe might unfold outside you in a matter of moments. Stars are born, galaxies form, civilizations rise and fall, all while you fall silently forward. From this moment on, you're on a one-way path, and all roads lead to the singularity. Behind you, light bends into a glowing ring. The rest of the universe compresses into a tiny, bright point above. Ahead, only blackness. And something stranger. Space and time have switched roles. Inside the horizon, moving forward in space becomes as unavoidable as moving forward in time. Even if you try to turn around, it won't help. You could use infinite fuel. It won't stop your descent. Falling inward isn't optional anymore. It's your future. Here, directions become meaningless. Time becomes space. Space becomes time. There's no compass that can guide you. No escape route. And worse, every second takes you closer to the singularity, the most terrifying destination in the cosmos. You might start to see light twisting in impossible ways. Colors fade. The laws of physics, the very rules of existence, begin to shatter. Black holes don't care about Newton, Einstein, or logic. They only follow their own rules. And inside the event horizon, even those rules break down. Scientists call it a gravitational singularity. What happens there? No one knows. Could your body be compressed into a single point of infinite mass? Could the laws of quantum mechanics fight back, stopping the collapse before it becomes truly infinite? Maybe. Some theories suggest the singularity could be replaced by a quantum foam or another exotic state of matter. But no one can be sure. All we know is this: physics, as we understand it, dies here. Most real black holes are. And spinning black holes, called Cur Black Holes, behave very differently. Inside a Cur Black hole, space itself is dragged around the singularity in a whirlpool of twisted geometry. This creates an ergosphere, a region outside the event horizon where space is spinning so fast, nothing can stay still. But there's something even more fascinating. Math suggests that inside a rotating black hole, there might be a hidden passageway, a wormhole. Could it take you to another galaxy? Another dimension? Another time? Maybe. Or maybe you'd be obliterated by infinite forces before you ever reach it. No one knows, but the possibilities are enough to make your head spin. They traced over 500 billion photon paths through warped space-time to show what it would look like to fall in. One simulation follows a camera as it orbits, then crosses the event horizon. Another escapes at the last second. Both are mind-blowing. Swirling light, twisted stars, and infinite spirals create visuals that are both beautiful and terrifying. These aren't just cool graphics, they're based on hard physics. And they give us a window into a place no human will ever truly see. Your atoms? Destroyed. Your data? Maybe scattered across the event horizon. Or maybe it's preserved. There's a theory called the black hole information paradox. It asks, if information can't be destroyed, where does the data that makes you go? Some think it's stored on the surface of the black hole. Others believe it escapes as Hawking radiation, quantum particles slowly leaking from the black hole's edge. Maybe, just maybe, a trace of you survives. But one thing is certain, your journey into a black hole would be the ultimate end, and maybe the beginning of something even weirder. You've reached the singularity, a place where physics ends and mystery begins. Maybe you were torn apart. Maybe you passed through a wormhole. Or maybe you're still falling, frozen in time, watching the universe live and die around you. We may never truly know what happens inside a black hole. But one thing's for sure, they remind us how small we are and how much we've yet to discover. Hit that like and subscribe for more deep dives into the mind-blowing corners of space. Until next time, stay curious.